And here comes video number 2 for today, the recipe. I kept it as a record. You're going to hear it in the beginning of the recording. Without further ado, let's go there right away. You're not going to see my face because I'm holding my cell phone and recording. So I think you guys, you show some understanding, okay? Anyway, enjoy it. It's an amazing recipe. You're going to thank me later on, I guarantee. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm keeping this as a record. I'm making an amazing recipe using pastrami from beef meat, turkey, butter. Here's my macaroni, my pasta. That's onion and garlic, and I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, grated cheese, milk, tomato sauce, and white cream, and it's gonna be epic. I'm gonna show you guys the final result, but for now I have to cook. So the pasta is outside the fire. I put extra butter on it so it won't get stuck, and now I am preparing my sauce. I just added the tomato sauce on top of the onions and the garlic. So after a little while, you're going to add some milk and the white cream. If it's a small one like this, which is what, how many grams this is? Well, whatever. Small one, just add all of it. Mix them all together. And keep stirring. By the way, guys, women love it when you cook. They find a man who cooks very, very sexy. 100% sexier than a man who doesn't cook. Ask any woman. If she's honest, she'll tell you yes. Whoever told you that is correct. And one thing I forgot to say in the beginning, you can use fajitas cheese seasoned mixing for chicken. It's amazing. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and keep mixing it. Great. Once it reaches this level, you're going to take your turkey and your pastrami and add it in. It's hard to do with one hand. Ugh, come on. Come on, just go in there. My hands are clean, of course. I've washed them so many times. And since I've never got any food poisoning for myself, I guess I'm okay. And for the final part, we're going to take our grated cheese. In this case, I'm using Regato Light, Kerrygold. You can use all of it, it's not a problem. I'm making a good amount. It will last me at least 2 days. And start mixing until it all gets soaked. It's gonna become amazingly creamy. Amazing. You guys cannot imagine how good this recipe is. It's amazing, amazing. It's so easy to make, so easy. You can find these ingredients like probably in every country in the world. If you don't have pastrami, just use turkey. You know. And to this beautiful mix, we're going to add our pasta. Hang on. Easier said than done. There, emptied. I'll just give this a mix. I'll show you the final result. And voila! Ready to be served. Just switched off the fire. Final mix and yummy, yummy, super yummy. Amazing recipe. You guys should try this. You should really try this. And if you have a wife or a girlfriend or a fiance, whatever, cook for her. Don't neglect her. The women love it when you cook. Guaranteed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this different video today. You guys are awesome. Catch you on the next one. And there you go, guys. Now the ingredients are in the description below in case you guys lost it. Okay, because maybe I was going a little bit too fast. I'm sorry about that. I'm not a professional, but I'm very good at cooking. I'm not a professional, but ingredients are down below. Just click on video description, you'll get it. And tell me when you try this recipe how you liked it, and tell me the impact that it had in your personal life. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see you on the next one. Happy New Year.